Hello, so this is a wonderful question under statistics where we are told to calculate the standard deviation. So in this question, I'm going to give you one specific formula that you are going to be using whether the data that is given is grouped or ungrouped. So if you look at this table, the way it is, you know that you are dealing with what? You are dealing with what we get to call grouped data. So this data that we are dealing with is a grouped data. Why is it a grouped data? Because there is a specific range that is given between max between 10 and 20. We've got frequency of 3. 20 and 30, we've got a frequency of what? Frequency of 7. So meaning that the data is grouped. This is what we mean when we say grouped data. So the question is saying the frequency table shows the distribution of marks obtained by 45 learners in a mathematics test. How can we answer this question? Like I've told you, the formula that I'm going to give you here can be applied on either grouped data or ungrouped data. So I just want you to follow me exactly what I'm doing here. The first thing you need to do is to find the middle point between these two, between these numbers that are given. You say you add 10 plus 20, that is 30. 30 divided by 2, that is 15. You get to find the average. This is the average we are finding. 20 plus 30, 50, divided by 2, 25. Here 70 by 2, 35. Here we've got 90, 45. Here we've got 110, 55. So we find the middle numbers like this. The first thing you need to do is to find the mean. So in calculating the standard deviation, the first step is finding the mean. This is how you find the mean. How are we going to find the mean? You just say summation of frequency multiplied by x over summation of total frequency. This x here is those numbers that are on top. This is the x. Have you seen we are given even the x? Then the total frequency is where you add everything here, or rather just speaking, the 45 that is given. It is just one and the same. So what are you going to do? You say mean is now equal to, you are multiplying frequency times x. So you start 3 times 15. So 3 multiplied by 15, you put that in brackets to just separate. Plus, summation means you are adding. So 7 multiplied by 25 plus 12 multiplied by 35 plus 15 multiplied by 45 plus 8 multiplied by what? 55. 8 multiplied by 55, like this. From there now, what is the next thing? The next thing that you are going to do, you say over now total frequency, which is the addition of all these frequencies, you get 45. So it is 45. Mean is therefore equal to, we are solving these things together, so where you add everything. So you punch everything on your calculator without including these brackets to kill time. So you punch everything. When you punch everything on your calculator, here when we punch, I'm getting 1,175, 170, say 1,755. This is the answer that I'm getting. I divide this number by 45. What is therefore the answer? So I divide by 45. The answer that I'm getting is 39. So meaning that this is my what? This is my mean. Mean is what? Mean is 39. After finding this 39, the next thing is to find the variance. So you need now to find the what? The variance. So we found the what? The mean. Mean is what? Mean is 39. That is our mean. Our mean is 39. After we find the mean, we now have to find the variance. So where I love this part, I now find the what? The variance. So this is how you get to calculate each question. You find the variance, you say variance is equal to summation of frequency, open bracket, x minus mean cross squared, where you say over summation of total frequency. So this is the formula you are going to be using. So this is the formula where we say variance is now equal to, what is the frequency? Frequency is 3, open bracket. What is x? X is 15 minus, what is mean? 39. So this is what we are going to be doing, 39, then I put squared, plus, I move here, 7, open bracket, x is what? 25. 25 minus what? 39, cross squared, plus, I move here, I say 12, open bracket, 35. 35 minus 39, which is our mean, I say cross, plus, I move here 15, 45 minus 39, cross squared, plus, I move to that one, 8, open bracket, 55 minus 39, which is our mean, cross, then I put a square there. Everything over the total what? Total frequency, which is 45, where I say variance is now therefore equal to, what you are now going to do is where you add everything there. You punch on your calculator. You say 3, open bracket, 15 minus 39, cross squared, plus you continue 7 until you finish everything here nicely on your calculator. So when you punch everything here, the answer that I'm getting, kindly confirm with me, the answer that I'm getting is 5880. Then I divide by what? 45. What is the answer? I divide by 45. What answer am I getting? So divide by 45. What answer am I getting? I'm getting 130.66666. It is just going 67. So this is my what? This is my variance. After finding the variance, you just say, therefore, standard deviation is equal to the square root of what? The square root of variance. This is another formula. So you say standard deviation is now equal to, what are we having there? We've got 130.66667. Then what answer are we going to get there? So when you calculate just the square root of that number, what is the answer? The answer that you're getting is 11.43095213. So therefore, you just conclude and say, therefore, standard deviation is equal to 11. This is the answer. You are done. Just like this. This is what we are supposed to be doing. And these are the calculations we need to make sure that we put in place. So this is what I add for you. I guess you've learned 1 or 2 things on how to calculate the standard deviation in an easy way. There's nothing like I'm supposed to use this formula. No. So for tuitions, if you want to be helped, this is the number you need to text me on WhatsApp. You drop a text on WhatsApp, I'm going to help you. So this is my number. Don't forget, I've got a Facebook page. You can follow me on Facebook using my name. This is my official Facebook page name. You can follow me on Facebook, Harrison J. Zuru Tutor. Thank you so much.